Dear audience, very happy welcome to another little use case video of our mobile logistics app for SAP Business One. I'm having an Android scanner, a very recent one in my hands, and I'm going to share the screen with you just now so that you have here my little Android mirroring. And for you, I'm going to switch to our logistics app of data unit. What you also see here in the background is a SAP B1 demo system, and I'm going to show you today a little use case of in our OAC computers of let's make an inventory count. So I ask a warehouse guy to just count certain items or certain areas, certain bin locations, whatever. For that reason, I'm going to SAP here. I create in my stock transactions an ordinary stock counting document. Okay. Just let's remember here, I have a counting list 7. I add certain items to this list, doesn't really matter which ones. Let's just take these first few items and I'm saving it. I add it to the system. And of course, I forgot to tell you that I can assign this list to a specific user. I have now added this to user manager. And on the mobile side, I'm live connected to this SAP database. And once I go into my inventory count menu, you will find all assigned inventory count lists which are active. And of course, I entered this list 7 now, and I see on this list I have, let's say, 6 lines, that's true, which are not counted. I go now to the first item. I can just scan this with the barcode. I can just touch it, doesn't really matter. I say how many items I counted. Let's just say I counted now 830. I save this, and once I counted it, it will switch to this counted area. On SAP side, refresh here, you will see it's live connected. I have this 830 also counted here. Go back to my mobile. I go continue my counting, and I go maybe for here item number 3, and I count here for this one the exact figure which is on stock, which is 1,424. I save it, go back again, and again have this counted item in the list, or in SAP. When I refresh, I have these counted quantities back in SAP. And so I go through all of these uncounted parts until I am finished. I'm just now putting some artificial data in. And of course, let's say I have here 100. And of course, my job being a logistics person is finished in the moment I have my uncounted list empty. Let's add here an example where I just couldn't find anything and put this here to count it. Okay. The counting works for any type of item. It can be a serialized item, a batch item, an ordinary item, doesn't really matter. I am able to cover it. Of course, if I have serialized items, I need to also say which serial number did I count. I refresh here, and from this document on, we can go the ordinary SAP B1 process to then also post this count. Okay, this was it already for this short demo of inventory count in a mobile variation, and I hope we see each other again for a next short demonstration of our mobile app. Thanks a lot.